Is your PC crashing with a blue screen? Don't panic. Here's how to fix BSOD quickly. First, restart your PC and note the error code on the blue screen. If it keeps happening, follow these steps. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause BSOD. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and Network Adapters. Then right-click and select Update Driver. You can also download the latest drivers from your manufacturer's website. Next, check for system updates. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Corrupt system files can trigger BSOD. Open Command Prompt as admin and type sfscannow scans and repairs system files, /FFR, checks and fixes disk errors. Restart your PC after running these commands. If BSOD started after installing a new app, driver, or hardware, uninstall it and restart your PC. And that's it. Your PC should be stable again. A failing HDD or SSD can also cause BSOD errors. Try booting from another drive or running a health check using Crystal Disk Info or chdisk/r. If your drive is failing, consider replacing it. If the issue persists, try safe mode or system restore. Like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.